Welcome everybody to the channel. Today we're going to be doing the seamless highlight technique. A horseshoe section is taken from mid-recession to mid-recession, and then a crescent-shaped section from the middle of the forehead to just above the ear. At the front hairline, take a fine slice with your pintail comb. And a natural weave is going to be taken within this slice. For the formula, we are using TG Copyright True Light White and 30 volume activator. Apply your formula from roots to ends and secure with a classic packet. Your next subsection is going to be a 1/4 inch subsection and another fine weave. You're going to continue applying your formula and rotating through this section. When applying my formula, I like to go about a 1/2 inch below the foil and the hairline, and then feather up to the root, just for a softer transition. Saturation is key when applying lightener to hair, making sure that the hair is completely saturated, that way you have an even lifting. Through the top, continue your technique and rotating through this section, applying your formula, utilizing your natural weave pattern, and securing with a classic packet. Also, all the product and tools used in this video were non-sponsored, just personal preference. Moving on to the crescent shape section, take a fine slice and a natural weave and continue your technique rotating through the crescent. After completing the highlighting technique, we shampooed and then we mixed up a 9/3 and toned her for 20 minutes to get the blondes a nice golden blonde at a level 9. I'd like to take the time to thank you all for watching. Those of you that have made it to the end, make sure that you hit that like button. You follow us on Instagram. You can also hit subscribe, comment your questions or concerns or critiques. I'd love to hear the feedback, so make sure you smash that like button, subscribe, and stay tuned for more tutorials, education, some more reviews. So appreciate you guys so much. Thank you.